How to upload 3-minute Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select on the Reels section. So as you do that, you can just select any of the Reels over here. I'm going to select 3 Reels each of 1 minute and then tap on next. So this will sum up to 3 minutes altogether. Now we just have to wait for a while, and now you can just add any sort of music, add text, add filters and so on. You can edit over here, and as you're done editing, you can simply tap on the next option at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can just add the captions over here and then simply tap on share, and that's how you can upload 3-minute Instagram Reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.